Removing a payment method from iCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated or removed successfully. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. This app is typically found on your home screen. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This section contains all your account information and settings. Step 3. Go to Payment and Shipping. Scroll down and select Payment and Shipping. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID for security. Step 4. Edit Payment Methods. In the Payment and Shipping section, you will see your current payment methods listed. Tap on the payment method you wish to remove. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Once you are in the details of the payment method, look for the option to remove payment method and confirm your choice. This will delete the payment information from your account. After following these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from iCloud. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your Apple ID account on a computer or contacting Apple support for assistance.